Termites use swarm intelligence to build impressive mounds and structures together. Inspired by nature, engineers aim to replicate termite behaviors in construction. These miniature robots collaborate, demonstrating unprecedented collective computing capabilities. Imagine a world where building structures is as intuitive as nature itself. Swarm logic enables these robots to adapt and evolve through shared knowledge. Automated 3D printing reflects the effectiveness of termite mound construction techniques. To build towering structures, these micro-builders utilize their environment intelligently. Each action they take contributes to a more complex societal structure. As technology evolves, we find ourselves embracing the wisdom of nature's builders. The future of construction lies in our ability to learn from nature's marvels.